Welcome to our Mathcast on Box and Whisker Plots. Our goal is to help you better understand the concepts at hand when you need it and at your own pace. We hope you enjoy this Mathcast on Box and Whisker Plots.
You need the following 5 things to make a box and whisker plot. Here are the definitions you need.
A box and whisker plot. The diagram that organizes material into 4 different groups.
Minimum. The lowest number and the opposite is maximum, the highest number.
Median is the number in the center when the numbers are in order.
Lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. The opposite is the upper quartile, which is the median of the upper half.
How do you make a box and whisker plot? First, you order the numbers from least to greatest. The numbers in order are 2, 5, 7, 8, and 12. Secondly, find the minimum of the numbers, which is 2. Thirdly, find the maximum, which in this case is 12. Then find the median of the numbers by crossing off a number from each side until you get to the middle, which is 7.
Absolutely. I did not do my job. You don't need to spell it out every single time.
Next, find the lower quartile by putting a parentheses around the minimum and median, and then cross out a number at each side until you get to the middle, which is 5. You would do the same with the upper quartile, but put the parentheses around the median and the maximum, and then do the same steps as you did to the lower quartile. The median to the upper quartile is 8. Now you have all the info needed to make a box and whisker plot. Make a number line. Always remember to keep the numbers evenly apart from each other for accuracy. Make a plot over the minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and maximum. Draw a line from the minimum to the lower quartile and upper quartile to the maximum. Create a box from the upper quartile to the lower quartile and draw a vertical line through the median. Now you have your box and whisker plot.
Now, here's another example, but with an even amount of numbers. Go through the steps exactly the same way until you get to finding the median, as which you can see on the board. Cross out the numbers on each side until you reach the last 2 numbers in the middle, which would be 6 and 8. What do? Add both numbers and divide by 2, so you can find the median of the 2 numbers, which is 7. But how do you find the lower and upper quartile? Draw a parentheses around the minimum and the number right on the left of where the middle would have been, or the 6. Now cross off the numbers until you find the lower quartile. It's 4. Now do the same with the upper quartile. Draw parentheses around the maximum and the number right on the right of where the middle would have been, or the 8. Then cross off the numbers. It's 10. Now you have all the information to do a box and whisker plot. Okay, do the exact same thing. Draw a dot over the minimum, over the lower quartile, over the median, over the upper quartile, and over the maximum. Then draw the lines at the sides, the box in the middle, and the vertical line. See? That was it.
Now that you know how to make a box and whisker plot, you must learn to interpret it and make conclusions out of them. The first box and whisker plot is on how many books are sold per day. What can you conclude from this? Well, we can conclude that the median and the lower quartile are very close, so around the same amount of books are sold per day. The next box and whisker plot is on the number of customers per day. There is a wide variability of the customers.
Watch for the systems.
Thank you for listening to this Mathcast. Please feel free to listen and learn from other Mathcasts on this channel. Thank you.